The first thing that I did was to carry out the division to simplify the original function. So we have, if we expand these brackets here, we have x squared plus a plus bx plus ab, and divide that into the top line, x squared. So what do we multiply x squared by? To get x squared, we multiply by 1. So that gives us 1 lots of x squared plus a plus bx plus ab. If I subtract, I get minus a plus bx minus ab. So the original function, x squared over x plus a, x plus b equals 1 minus a plus b x over x plus a, x plus b minus ab over x plus a, x plus b. So it's these two parts here that we're going to deal with. So we've got linear factors on the bottom. And then we proceed, so equating numerators, a plus b x equals a lots of x plus b plus b lots of x plus a. And if we take x equaling minus a first of all, I have a plus b times minus a on the left hand side, so this whole term will be 0, and then we'll have b minus a lots of a, and a then equals minus a plus b over b minus a. If we then have x equals minus b, that will make this whole term 0. So a plus b times minus b equals a minus b lots of b, and b then is equal to minus b lots of a plus b over a minus b. So this is the second part that I want to deal with. So let's have c over x plus a plus d over x plus b, and numerators, same idea as before, so we'll have x equaling minus a, so that's going to be b minus a lots of c, and c then equals ab over b minus a, and if we take x equals minus b, I have ab equals that's going to be a minus b times d So we had the value of A. So that was minus A plus B over B minus A. That's the value of A, but we've also got the x plus A on the bottom. The value of B, something similar, so it's B lots of A minus A plus B over A minus B. But that's the value of B only. We've got the x plus B on the bottom. It's this part that I'm talking about. X plus B, X plus B, X plus A, X plus A. So this part here is the value of A, this part here is the value of B. Something similar for C and D. So it's C has the value AB over B minus A, but of course there is also this X plus A. D has the value AB over A minus B, but of course we have X plus B as well. All we have to do now is to simplify. So we've got 1 plus Now you'll notice that we have B minus A minus B, and B minus A minus B. It would be useful if we had all the same. What we can do I think we'll change them all to B minus A. Now if we do that, it means that this term becomes negative. This term remains unchanged. This term will become negative, which is to say, will negate the term, so it becomes positive. And this term is unchanged. I'm just expanding the brackets on the top. So it's AB over A minus B now, so that's these two terms here, and this term of course. Can you see, I hope you can see, that this here, this term here, cancels out with this term, and this term here cancels out with this term. So these two cancel, and these two cancel. And that's why we get the answer that we do.